We can feel or touch the apple with our hands. This apple feels smooth. A nice smooth apple. How does your apple feel? Wow. I can listen to the apple with my, good job, ear. There's no sound, but if I bite the apple, it makes a sound. Listen. Do you hear the chewing? I can taste the apple with my mouth. Good job. The apple tastes really yummy, and it's very juicy and sweet. It was crunchy. I can look at the apple with my eyes. Good job. Can you look at your apple? My apple looks red and a little bit brown, and it looks shiny. How does your apple look? It's so fun to explore an apple with our 5 senses. We looked at the apple, we tasted the apple, we smelled the apple, we listened to the apple, and we touched the apple.